Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do a product review of this. This is called Stila and it's a one-step correction. This is supposed to conceal any red marks, underlines, 30ml, whopping price of £24. I've been using this for a week and I just want to tell you, for £24, is it worth it? So let me just tell you a little bit about the product. So I got this on Amazon. They call it a Stila one-step correction of 30ml. As I said, it's £24. There are 90 reviews and it's not quite a 5-star product. So what this claims to do is the newest addition to Stila's one-step category, one-step correction, is a groundbreaking triple-swirled helix serum that instantly colour corrects, brightens, primes and nourishes the skin. The benefits: reduces fine lines, wrinkles, pores, pigmentation, hydrates, controls oil and improves skin texture. So basically I have cleansed and I've moisturised my face and we're meant to put some dollops of this on and it's supposed to help. I guess like in essence it's like a primer, but it's got these beautiful colours. I hope you guys can appreciate and see those. That have all the correcting colours. It's supposed to help with your skin texture. I like the idea of this because quite a lot of the reviews that I was reading saying that they could actually put this on without having to put foundation on, which really appeals to me because I'm not really a massive foundation wearer. I mean, at the moment, I'm very lucky with my skin. So at the moment, I can still get away with not particularly wearing foundation. So I thought we would try and you guys could see and you can let me know whether you can see any difference. So I'm going to do half my face with it on and leave the other half blank. Okay, so I'm going to put a couple of pumps on my hand, which you can see is so pretty. And I have a Real Techniques foundation bluffing brush. Sorry, I can't speak. We're going to put it on this side. So I'm not using the mirror, guys. I'm actually using. And I'm just going to swirl that all around. Now looking at my viewfinder, to me it's making my skin look quite wet, maybe like dewy. I feel like I'm green up here. Got a nice glow here where it looks quite highlighting compared to that side. It does actually absorb really nicely into the skin. Actually feels really nice. Okay, now then, let's bring it a bit closer. What do you think? We'll take it by the window so you can get a very good, clear. Can you see any difference, guys? I mean, I don't know. I think it makes your skin look brighter for sure. Definitely. Is it worth £24, guys? Or are we just paying for a brand name? I have to say, I actually do feel like, and excuse me, I'm not kind of just saying this, but I do actually feel like there is a slight difference. I have a lot of freckles in this area here, and some colour discoloration probably. I have red round here, and I would say on this side it does seem to blend my skin tone really well. So I'm actually quite liking this. I would continue to actually use this, and I will actually finish the bottle, particularly as it's quite expensive. But I just want to share with you to see whether you can see any massive difference. I'm going to put some on this side now. So this is supposed to be prepping your skin as well as making it brighter and helping colour correct. Is a primer ready for your foundation, but I am not putting foundation on today. I have worn this with foundation and it does go on without any issues. The first time I did use it, I probably went a little bit over the top with this, and I found that when I did put a little bit of foundation on, I was very cakey, but I think that was more my fault than the actual product, because when I tried it again, it was fine. And I also left this for about 15 minutes as well, just to soak right into the skin, because you know, you got your cleanser on, you got your moisturizer on, then you got your primer on, and you're trying to put foundation onto all that lot. So I have to say, I actually think this works, guys. What do you think? I'm really pleased with that. Yeah, it's a thumbs up from me. I would definitely repurchase this. I do like it. It's just a shame about the price. Anyway, if there's anything that you'd like me to try and review, then please let me know. I'm going to start doing little bits that I've been collecting and trying out, just to do a different sort of content from unboxing, apart from anything it's getting bloody expensive. Anyway, that's it for today. Any comments, leave down the bottom if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe if you're not already, and have a good day, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye. Take care. Bye.